Hey everybody, it's Brian over at Showcase Agency. If you already own a home and you're gonna go buy another one, you might be wondering what you can do with the house that you've got. Well, if your finances are in order, one of the options that you can do is you can offer to buy your next home and make it as a non-contingent offer. So what does that mean, and what does that have to do with the house that you already have? Those are great questions. So if you already have a house and you're gonna go buy another one, if you're able to make a non-contingent offer, meaning that you don't have to sell your house in order to buy the next one, if you can make that non-contingent offer, it's going to stand out more to the seller, because the seller is looking for something that's the most certain. What's going to close? Well, if I'm offering to buy a house and I'm using a non-contingent offer, meaning I don't have to sell a house, then my offer is going to look more attractive than somebody over here that has to sell a house in order to buy the next one. So obviously you have to have the money to be able to go buy the next house. That's one of the big reasons people sell their house first before going to buy another one, or they do them. We do it a lot of times simultaneously, basically around the same time. And a lot of times they do that so that they can get the cash from the equity to put into the next house. So if you've got the cash for the next house without selling, this might be a great option for you. Talk with your loan officer. You want to make sure that you qualify for the next home if you're not selling the house that you've got, and your loan officer can work all of that out with you. If you're not working with a loan officer yet, or you want a second or third opinion, reach out to us. We'd be happy to talk with you. And if you don't have a copy of our new guide for what we call a move-up buyer, somebody that's taken their house and they're either going to sell it or convert it into a rental or whatever, but they're going to go buy another house. So you own and you're going to go buy another home. We've got a great report for you, and you can get a copy at showcasemoveup.com. And we also have a lot of great videos on our YouTube channel. That's showcaseyoutube.com. And last, if you've got questions, reach out to us, schedule a call. We're happy to help, and you can do that at showcasecall.com.